Another thing we get a lot in our ministry are these so-called Christian tattoos of crosses or Bible verses. Refuse to believe that it can be wrong as they are doing it for Jesus. And when we take the oil and put it on the tattoo, on their skin, then those tattoos start to burn so much. They literally try to shake it off. They shake their arms and they put water on it and it's burning, it's burning, it's burning. And then I tell them, you see, Jesus is showing you this thing is not from him. It's not for him. You didn't do it for him. It's from Satan. It's of the devil. Then only do they realize that this is wrong. This is not from God. I didn't do this for Jesus. I thought I did, but Jesus is not in this tattoo. That is how Jesus is showing them that the tattoos which they did, which they thought they did to honor Jesus, has not got anything to do with Jesus.